ComfyUI versus Weavy. Which AI image platform is better? Choosing the right AI image platform can transform how you create stunning visuals without complex setups. ComfyUI offers modular control, while Weavy focuses on seamless AI integration. ComfyUI and Weavy are two powerful AI image platforms designed for creators and developers. The core difference lies in ComfyUI's node-based, highly customizable interface versus Weavy's streamlined, integrated AI tools aimed at rapid image generation. ComfyUI is a modular, node-based AI image generation platform that offers deep customization. Users build image pipelines by connecting nodes representing different AI models and processes, allowing precise control over each step. This flexibility makes it ideal for advanced users who want to experiment with AI workflows or fine-tune outputs. ComfyUI supports multiple AI backends and model types, enabling a wide range of creative possibilities. However, its complexity can be a barrier for beginners, requiring some learning to navigate the interface and understand node connections. It excels in scenarios where users need full transparency and adaptability, such as researchers, AI artists, or developers integrating custom models. While it demands more setup time and technical knowledge, ComfyUI's strength lies in empowering users to tailor AI image generation exactly to their needs. Weavy is an AI image platform designed for seamless integration and ease of use. It combines AI-powered image generation with built-in collaboration and sharing tools, making it a strong choice for teams and creators who want quick results without managing complex workflows. Weavy's interface is user-friendly, focusing on speed and simplicity while still delivering high-quality images. It integrates AI models behind the scenes, so users don't need to configure pipelines manually. This makes Weavy ideal for marketers, content creators, and businesses looking to generate visuals efficiently. However, this streamlined approach means less granular control compared to ComfyUI, which might limit experimentation with advanced AI techniques. Weavy shines when productivity and collaboration are priorities, offering a polished experience that reduces the technical overhead often associated with AI image platforms. ComfyUI and Weavy serve different user needs with distinct trade-offs. ComfyUI offers unmatched customization through its node-based system, perfect for users who want to control every detail of image generation. This suits developers and AI artists who prioritize flexibility over simplicity. On the other hand, Weavy emphasizes ease of use and team collaboration, delivering fast, high-quality images without requiring technical setup. It fits marketers and content creators who need efficient workflows and integrated sharing. While ComfyUI demands more time to learn, it rewards users with powerful customization options. Weavy sacrifices some control but gains speed and accessibility. Choosing between them depends on whether you value flexibility and experimentation or streamlined productivity and collaboration. Choose ComfyUI if you need deep customization and control for advanced AI image generation, especially if you enjoy building and tweaking complex workflows. Opt for Weavy if you want a straightforward, collaborative platform that produces high-quality images quickly without the hassle of technical setup. Both platforms excel in their domains, so align your choice with your creative goals and workflow preferences.